Alright guys, second try at this. My first try, I destroyed it. So yeah. Now I'm just kind of hoping. I'm sorry if you can hear my game in the game in the background, but yeah, there's nothing I can do about it, kind of.
Throwing now, Taylor on first down.
I'm gonna
He's
check
going to
down.
flip that out to the flat. It's complete. Give him 2 yards.
I'm probably gonna record the whole game, but sometimes I just super sim because if I get ahead by a lot, I just super sim it because it kind of gets boring once you're ahead by like 37 to 1 point.
Steps away to his left. And some room to work.
Oh! Look at that hurdle!
Turned out to be the final play of this first quarter.
I hurdled right over him. Sorry also if you can hear me talking before, but I'll kind of wait a second to snap and stuff until you guys can actually see it. Because I like to talk as soon as I hear something. Yeah. So as you can see right there, I just audibled Zay Jones to a long route. That's him going up into the end zone. Touchdown, Zay Jones! Let's go. First touchdown of the game going to the rookie, Zay Jones.
Oh, without a doubt, that one is going to be imprinted forever. And nowadays, we're seeing rookies make a greater impact at that position at receiver than ever before.
Oh, also guys, did you hear about the Eagles kicker who made that like 56-yard field goal or something to win the game? It was crazy. Especially because he's a rookie. Like, rookie kicker.
Here's Hauschka now to kick it away.
So confusing because I can hear it twice. I can hear when I'm talking twice in time. So I usually turn it off just so that I don't hear I'm talking. And I don't think it's echoing me. And if it is, I'm just so mad. As you can see, I will accept that penalty, take it, and now they'll be at the 18, which is okay. Like, it's okay field position for them, but I still want to maybe to get the sack or something.
A reminder coming up in the Sunday night game, a matchup you don't see very often, a rematch of Super Bowl 18. The Raiders traveling to Washington, and then tomorrow on Monday night we'll see the Cowboys heading to the desert to take on the Cardinals.
Like, why?
The East rivals.
Like, why do you even care?
I think from our experience together, we have learned that most offensive coordinators are going to...
Why do you even care about Super Bowl 18 Matt Ryan?
Here, they got to feel pretty good about that one.
Here's Simeon now on second down. And this one complete to Virgil Green. There goes Green. 20. And all the way home.
He's gone, no.
Virgil Green, 77 yards.
Because I always try to go for a hit stick.
An extra point away from tying the football game. When they drew that up, I don't think they envisioned it ending in a house call, but he got it and took it all the way home.
Really impressive.
Ah, that was...
But let's face it, in today's NFL, those tight ends are often former wide, sometimes bigger running backs. They just put them in a position to get a great matchup and make plays like that.
2 days or something, but if I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. It's just like if I'm busy, like the only day is depending on when I have practice.
That'll be taken in the end zone. Oh, leaves him behind on the spin. Oh, and now he bowls him over. The Bills offense now, they get set to head back onto the field. And they're hoping to redo their efforts in the last drive when they got into the end zone.
And just think of what it's like now on the sideline, because when you score a touchdown, you have to go over and look at the tablet and see what you did on the last drive. When you scored points,
and the Broncos get there and take him down.
Ah, Tyron. That's the only part I don't. That's
take us to the 2-minute warning.
Like, sometimes it's good, but like, sack. It's gonna haunt me.
A reminder that when halftime...
I don't know why I play defense now. I think I may only play defense. After this play, I'm gonna only play defense.
An analysis of this first half of play from our studios in Orlando. And that is incomplete. He was now. So a 1st and 10 coming up for the offense here in the second quarter. Let's see what this defense can do. Now the Broncos offense, they get set to head back to the field.
Yes!
And now a fumble. The ball's out.
Yeah. That's the only part about this. It's so hard to commentate. Because you guys don't see. And hard.
Time now to see what this defense can do. Second quarter as the offense starts out 1st and 10. Here's the Denver offense now as they get set to take over here. And last time, not only the turnover, but that turned into 6 points. They got to make up for that here.
We always hear about empty possessions.
Oh, yeah. Did you hear about the Bills actually beating the Broncos? That was everyone predicted the Broncos to blow them out, but they didn't. Bills put up a good game and they won.
Yeah, but you're hungry to get back out there, aren't you?
You better be, because otherwise it's going to be a long day for you.
Back to the air, Simeon on 2nd down. They'll find the rookie from La Tech. It's Carlos Henderson. They'll wind up getting 10 back as that sets them up for 3rd down. They'll get to the line here, but remember, it's also 3rd down. From the gun, here's Simeon. And able to find Green.
Not this time.
And he's taken down at the 43, but not before picking up the 1st. 8 yards on the pickup there, and it moves the sticks. Back to throw, Simeon out to the flat. That's complete to his running back. And before this 2nd down play, we'll get a whistle, a signal, and a timeout. As the clock will stop with 55 seconds to go until halftime. Throwing again is Simeon. And he's going to find his man out of the backfield. That's complete. And he's brought down. That one good for 13 and a Denver 1st down.
It appears they found something that's working, and they keep going back to it. I guess you can actually say he has the hot hands now, doesn't he?
Yeah, well, it's one thing to hit your guy out of the backfield once. A couple times, yeah, you're right. Maybe they're onto something.
And I think a lot of that is simply, if you get it to him in space, more times than not, he's going to get more yardage than you expect out of each play.
So step off the 5 yards.
Yeah, partner, you know.
I'm gonna super send until and never mind until the end of the game, cause we're ahead by 37
Scoreboard, an update from Foxborough. The Patriots, they've opened a 2-touchdown advantage in that one. Tom Brady with 2 first-half touchdown passes.
Yeah, so this is going to be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. This is just like a little video just to have on my channel for. So yeah, see you guys.